Hi everyone. Now this is time to apply whatever we learned in last videos. So here are some figures. We have to count number of squares in each figure. So very first figure is like this. This is figure 1. This is figure 2. This is 3. And this is 4. Okay, now observe this figure. When we have seen the number of squares in square like this, very first square if you remember, with 2 rows and 2 columns, then how many squares were there? 2 ones, that is 5. So always remember that whenever there is a square with plus sign in this way, 5 number of squares are present there. Okay. Now come to this figure. Now this is outermost square and plus sign means 5 squares are there. Now inside one more square is there and again plus sign. Plus sign is common but in all squares. So for middle 5 squares are there and for inner also 5 squares are there. It means in total there are 15 squares present. Okay. Now here for some time forget these small figures. Okay. Forget these small squares. We have seen number of rows are here 4 and number of columns are 4. Then how to count number of square? So this is 4 square, 3 square, 2 square, 1 square. So in total number of 30. We have seen this in previous video. You can go in I button and see. Okay. So total 30 and now just we have seen if square is there and plus sign then 5 squares are there. So 5, 5, 5, 5 means total 20. In this way total 50 number of squares are present in this figure. Okay. Now comparatively this figure and this both are little bit easy. Here first find out the number of squares in this square. Okay, we have found this also. 3 rows and 3 columns. So 3 square plus 2 square plus 1 square, that is 14. We have seen this already. And 1, 2, 3, 4. It means total 18 squares are there. And this is easiest one. Just we have seen square with plus sign means this is a square with plus sign, so 5 and these 4 are same, that is 4 into 5. In total 25 squares are there. Okay. Now one more figure is there. Looks like this but little bit confusing. Suppose this is a square and plus sign. Okay, we know 5 squares are there. But if inner square is like this, then this is also square and plus sign is also there. But still there are in total 5 plus inner one 6 squares are only. Okay, not like this. Here if inner square, because the position of this square is different. Okay, suppose if you add one more square in this way, then here also only 1 will be added and only 7 squares are there in total. Okay, understood? Now you practice more and more figures like this. And if you follow all these videos, then definitely you will not get problem to solve any question like this. Okay, thank you.